Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you want to work from home, you want to start making some extra income, well, in this video, I'm going to show you one of the biggest retail outlets in the entire planet that's paying out online, how you can get started. Don't need any experience. I'll walk you through a couple ways where you can get up and get running quickly and be in profit. Now, you are going to have to trade time for money. You're going to have to put the effort and work into this to make this work for you. So if you do want to get some information on passive income, $200 or $300 consistently coming in every day, well, make sure you hit that link in the description below, because I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. Now, every day I like to come out with great new videos for you, work from home, online jobs, just anything to help you have success. So there is a subscribe button. There's also a bell. Hit both those, and then you get notified of all the videos, and you won't miss any of them. All right, so 4 ways to get paid by Walmart working from home. So if you're not familiar with Walmart, then I don't know where you've been, but Walmart is huge. It's been around for a long, long time. There's stores everywhere, but Walmart is really being aggressive right now. They're trying to take on Amazon because Amazon has kind of surpassed them, but Walmart's really pushing hard, and they're looking for people online to help promote their products, help promote their website. So if you're looking at the website here, so they have just a whole marketplace full of products and services that you can promote. As affiliate, you get to promote any of these products that are online right here. Okay, you can promote the shirt, you can promote tires if you want, you can promote tents. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Clothing, outdoor, home, auto, and tires. These are great niches and titles. Okay, so you become an affiliate by promoting their products, and all you have to do is go to Walmart. Just go to Google and type in Walmart affiliate, and you're going to see this page come up, okay? All you have to do is you're just going to come here and you're going to click on Become a Member, and you just find your country right there, and you just go through all this information right here, and you get signed up, and then you'll be good. And what they're going to do is there's going to be a back office, like a members area, where you get in there and you'll have your links. You'll be able to promote the products, and then they'll you get all the information on stats and how to get paid and all that good stuff, okay? Getting set up with Walmart is the easy part. The challenge and the where people really run into is, okay, I got my affiliate link. What the heck do I do now with it? Well, you got to get it in front of the right people. And then let me just show you. I got my pen out here, and I wanted to just show you really quick how this works. So you have Walmart right here. Okay, so let's just say Walmart's over here. Okay, Walmart is the store. They're the ones that have all the money. They're going to pay you. Okay, you're happy. But the thing is how do you get people to Walmart? Well, what you want to do is you got to find the audience. Okay, so you have the audience right here. These are the people that would be interested in the products. These are people that maybe shop at Walmart. These are people that maybe don't know about Walmart. Okay, so all you have to do is find the right audience for the right product, and that's how you bridge the gap between the two. So if somebody's interested in tires, let's say from Walmart, right? You find the audience of people that drive cars, that are interested in tires, that maybe drive trucks, okay, things like that. You find that audience, you put the products in front of them, you make the money, and everything's good. So let me show you a couple of different ways to go about doing this. First way is going to be with Facebook. Business Manager, you just go to business.facebook.com. You can run ads to anybody online. You can target it's very good targeting. So you can actually target people that are just interested in particular products. So let's say people are interested in tires. Well, you could find the product in Walmart, put that ad right in front of those people on Facebook. Another way is going to be Google AdWords. Okay, so Google AdWords is a great tool to run ads. So you could run any type of keyword ads that you want, find the audience, put that ad in front of them, and then put the Walmart link in front of that audience. So if somebody's searching on Google and they're typing, what are the best tires for my F-150 truck? Well, what would you do? You would find a product on Walmart, maybe F-150 tires. You put that on Google, you put an ad up there, and now you're in front of the right audience. You match the product with the right audience, and then you have a great combination. The next way is going to be Bing ads. Not as big as Google, but Bing.com is Microsoft's search engine. They've been struggling for years to try to get up. But what I like about Bing is that there's not a whole lot of people that are running ads on them. So that means that you could pick up clicks for very cheap. There's not a lot of competition on Bing ads. It's a great place to start. You can find a great audience on there. Just put your link in front of the right audience on Bing. And the last way is going to be just starting a blog around a particular product. So you could start a blog on WordPress.org. So this is just a free platform that you can download, or you can set up onto a hosting account like HostGator or Bluehost, things like that. So you can set up your own blog, and what you can do is create content. Now this is going to be the most time-consuming way, but it's going to be the most probably long-term way because you have more control over it. So if you create a blog that's geared around, people that buy tires for particular trucks, you could just write content and reviews and all of that good stuff. Create a blog just around that topic, and then you can send your link straight to the Walmart affiliate product. Somebody buys that, you're going to get a percentage on that, and you're going to make money. Okay, so just remember, you got the audience, you got the product, match those together, and you have a winning combination. That's how you succeed. That's how you're going to get paid by Walmart. And that's how it's going to be fun, and you're going to really enjoy it. Now, you are going to have to trade time for money with this. So if you do want to get some information on passive income, well, make sure you hit that link in the description below, because I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help you and your success. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next one.